Our skeleton system is made of bones and it gives a shape to our body. There are various types of bones in our body. Some are long, like the bones in the forearms and thighs. Some are short, like the bones in the wrist, foot, ears. An adult human being has 206 bones in his body. Hard and strong bones surround delicate vital organs and protect them. Our heart and lungs are protected by a cage made of bones called rib cage. Our brain sits inside the heart skull made of strong bones. The backbone or the spine protects the spinal cord, which is the extension of the brain and is extremely delicate. We can stand, sit and maintain different posture because skeleton system provides a rigid structure and it helps to hold all organs in place.